Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about rounding. Our very first step that we're going to start with, every single person is going to start by taking the rounding pretest. The way you do that is notice under step 1 it says rounding pretest. That is a link. All you have to do is click it. It'll take you to the pretest form and you need to fill it out. When you finish and you hit submit, you'll get a score. Based on your pretest score, you will go either on the left side of this chart and practice with the teacher, or on the right side and have independent practice. The way you tell which side of the chart to look at is based on your pretest score. So if you got a score of a 0 out of 4, 1 out of 4, or 2 out of 4, notice it says you are practicing with the teacher right there. If you scored a 3 out of 4 or a 4 out of 4, you are working on independent practice. Based on your pretest, whichever side of the chart you are staying on the chart. What I mean on that side. What I mean by that is if I got a 3 out of 4 on my pretest, then I am on independent practice and I am staying on the independent practice side of the chart the whole day. So let's talk about practice with the teacher side first. So if you score a 0 through 2 on your pretest, you are on the left side of this chart practicing with the teacher, which means you will do a lesson that is teacher-led, so either with Miss Cattell or Miss Smith, and you will split screen with the teacher lesson notes dash rounding. So if you look, there's 3 different columns. We have a step column, which is where you'll follow. So like step 1, step 2, step 3. Then you have the activity column. So what activity am I actually doing? So in step 2, you will be doing the teacher lesson with notes. That's the activity. And then the 3rd column is the how-to. So how do I do this teacher lesson? It tells you to fill in the teacher lesson notes and then upload it. So you need to go under today's assignment date and find the teacher lesson notes that are labeled and then split screen with the video lesson that your teacher is leading. Step 3 is then to complete the rounding decimal Khan Academy. So notice we went down to step 3 down here. And again, the rounding decimal Khan is a link. So all you have to do is click that link. It'll take you to Khan Academy. You'll complete the questions. And then under how to, it tells you that at the end you need to screenshot your final score and attach it as a picture to today's assignment. So on the other side of the chart, if you scored a 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 4, you are just looking at the independent practice side. So over here on the right is what you're looking at. So steps 2 and 3. Step 2 is a little bit different than the practice with the teacher. In this independent practice, notice the activity for step 2 is a video lesson with the notes. So where the word video is, that's actually a link and it will take you to that video lesson. To complete this activity, you need to fill in the attached video lesson notes. So make sure when you go into today's assignment, you don't open the teacher lesson notes. You need to be opening the video lesson notes. Then you'll split screen those notes and the video lesson, and you'll complete the notes as you watch the video. When you're finished with the notes and the video, make sure you upload a copy to today's date, and then you move on to step 3. Step 3 is a Khan Academy, which is exactly like step 3 with the teacher. So you'll click Rounding Decimals Khan. It's a link. It'll take you to Khan Academy. You'll complete the questions, and then the last step is to screenshot your final score and attach it as a picture to today's assignment. At any point, if you have any questions, go into your team's math, go into your math team and under Ask a Question, drop a question in there and either Ms. Smith or Ms. Cattell will respond to you and help get you back on track. Good luck.